Hi everyone, happy Friday. I hope this video finds you well, and I'm doing this update and video for two reasons actually. One is to give an update, of course, on Seed and Spark, and then two is I'm reaching out for your help. So as you know, I moved the production dates from April to September. So we're gearing up for production in September, which is going well. But in the process of changing the date, one of the actors is no longer available. So I'm reaching out to see if anybody who knows somebody who knows someone would be interested. It will be for one day. Location will be in Purcellville, Virginia, as of right now, maybe a little bit closer. But I'm looking for older men in the 50s, 60s, even 70s, or a little younger than 50s, if you can play the part, who is a black man, Caribbean background most definitely. You don't necessarily have to be from Trinidad, because where the story takes place, which is in 1881, there wasn't really a distinct difference in the Caribbean accents as there are now in the different islands. But if you know somebody who fits that part, and maybe even you who's watching this right now that thinks that you would be comfortable playing the part, please reach out to me and ask me questions, or you can send me the recommendation of somebody who you think may fit the part and may be interested. So I appreciate it, and I look forward to your response, and I'll continue to keep you updated on as we gear up for production. All right, and thank you. Enjoy the weekend.